Yes, fans, so for today's video I'm going to be showing you basically how I prepare another vegetable meal for my child. So recently I just noticed that he's beginning to reject the fish vegetable puree. So it's like he doesn't really like the flavor of the fish. So I was kind of worried, and thankfully the wisdom just came to me that I should do a different kind of style to help me incorporate the fish into his diet. So that is the reason why this video is coming your way. And while I tried it, it worked and I really liked it. I now decided to make a video to show one or two moms out there. You all know that babies copy a lot. So he's this type that when you're eating, he wants to try, as in have a taste of what you're eating. So I just came up with this one and advise that you use the fish that is already in the freezer. All right, you can buy from the groceries, the one in the freezer. So what I did was that I bought these ones fresh. So I just decided to take a little portion out of the one that I bought, and I decided to clean it up and freeze it for some days. So this is the salmon fish that I'm going to be using for this baby's recipe. So here is green peas. I'm going to be using the green peas. Here is chopped potato, the Irish potato. Yes. So, and here is diced carrots. Okay, I just decided to dice the carrots in these small shapes, as well as the potato. And here is olive oil. I'm going to be adding olive oil in the process of cooking. And this is macaroni. It's this type that is very, very tiny. There's a way they did it. I so much love this macaroni. So when I did it, so I'm going to be making 10 packs of this particular food. Okay, this recipe, I'm going to section them at the end of it all. It's going to be sectioned into 10. So I don't think I'm going to be using the whole fish. I'm going to be counting them. I will just take out 10 from here and boil. That's 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Anyway, let me just add one. Like as they used to say in my language, obiomoriemi. Okay, so this particular one is going to be for me. Okay, a mom that cooks also eats. Yes. So I will just keep this one like this. What I'm going to be adding right now is just olive oil, and that's it. A little of water and olive oil. Here is my olive oil. Make it as little, a tablespoon, it's okay. All right, a tablespoon is actually okay for this. Yeah, to boil the fish, a tablespoon. Now here is my already cleaned and chopped carrots, diced. Okay, the reason why you have to try and dice your carrots is that if you are not going to be giving your baby matching everything together, all right, to make it in form of like a puree form, okay, you can as well just give your baby to feed from it by himself. Okay, he will actually love it. Sorry, I'm always saying he. Sorry. All right, so I've got 3 boys, so that is the reason why I'm always like he or she. Okay, sorry about that. I mean, macaroni is already boiled. All right, it's already parboiled. It is ready, so there is no need to add this particular one. So I'm going to be adding it when I'm going to package everything, so you see it at the tail end of this video. So right away I'm adding the green peas. Oh my goodness. Somebody should come and take a look at this beautiful color. Yes, the sweet potato is the one I actually wanted to use, but I sent Oga to buy me sweet potato, and he went and bought this particular one. All right, so we'll manage it. Maybe next time we'll go to the market, we'll do something else. Yes. All right, guys, nothing more. I'm going to be adding olive oil as well. Oh, yes, a little of olive oil. And I'm just going to add little of water. So the fish. And I just added a little of water to the vegetable and the fish. The reason is because I want it to like stay on the fire for quite some time, all right? So if I was making it maybe for myself or for the rest of his brothers, I wouldn't have added water. Just a little steam is okay. But because it's for baby, I have to make it to stay on fire for quite some time before I will like take it off. Okay, this kind of recipe, maximum 30 minutes, maximum 30 minutes, you are done, all right, on a high heat. Okay, so let's go. Let's set the fire. And I'm setting the fire. And I'm covering the pot now. Oh, setting the fire. Covering the pot now. Oh. Our fish recipe is ready. Just take a look at this. Can you see this goodness? Here is the fish. You can see? Wow, just take a look at the oil by the side. And now these are my mini packs, already cleaned and sterilized. So I'm going to be dishing them down for you to see. Okay, so let's go. As little as this, 2 tablespoons is just fine. And 1 portion of fish. Just let them cool down and put them in the freezer. In the morning you bring it out and keep it aside to defrost. Then in the afternoon you warm it up for your baby. This recipe is yummy, guys. Adding macaroni, you remember this? So I'm just adding a little, a little portion to it. So if you bring it out after warming it, you try it like this and your baby is not taking it, just try and match it a little, to make it a bit more of the puree type. Match it a little, but not smoothly mashed. And I'm going to be covering the packs. I really love these mini packs. There's this one that had a heart shape that I saw in the shop the day I went to buy this pack. Oh my goodness, it was just only 1 bunch left. And I was asking them, the price. They said if it doesn't have a price tag, it means they can't sell it out. Oh my God, I almost cried. And they told me they were going to call their office, the headquarters of the branch of the shop. They said they were going to call just to find out. At the end of the day, I was not able to get it. It was super cute, guys, very cute. Super cute. It had a kind of heart shape and it was like half of this. that would have been the perfect size for my baby to start with, because when I was using this particular one at the initial stage, you know, at the end of the day I will end up eating some portion, but that one was the perfect shape and the size that I actually wanted. But since I couldn't get it, I just decided to, like, you know, make do with what I was able to get. Oh my goodness, I'm relieved. Tomorrow I'm making a multi-cereal. I don't know, it's just gonna be depending on the kind of mood I am, because sometimes I just decide to go enter the kitchen and start cooking, just get out from there. I don't have time to start setting the camera to film. So I just pray God help me, because it's going to be a different kind of multi-cereal. I have a video of how to prepare your homemade multi-cereal, but this one is going to be with a little twist. I just pray God help me. If I set the camera, then you guys will have it to watch. If not, forgive me guys. Sometimes I just want to hit the kitchen, do it quickly as fast as possible, and I'm out. I don't know if anyone can relate with this. Not just having that time to start setting camera here and there. Yes fam, my baby's fish recipe is ready. Haha. This recipe is super yummy. The elder brother is already jealous of this recipe. He said, wow, I really love it. I love it. Alright fam, I'll see you all in my next video, and please do not forget to subscribe to this amazing channel. Share my videos, like my video, comment in the comment section. You know, that is where we rub mind. You start seeing different comments. Oh my goodness, I love you all. You guys are super amazing. In fact, without you guys, oh, there is no exercise path. God bless you all, and I'll see you all in my next video. Ha ha.